Hey, it's us, the Smart Sisters. Today we are going to make a lava lamp. Well, sort of, kind of. You need a jar with 1 cup of water in it, 1 cup of vegetable oil, a spoon, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and food coloring.
Begin by choosing a color and then putting a few drops in your jar of water.
Then stir. Pour your 1 cup of vegetable oil into your glass jar. This is the best grip. And wait for it to separate.
Oh, come on. I don't think that all that made it in.
Notice how all the water and the vegetable oil separated in the jars.
Make sure your antacid tablet is broken into 4 pieces.
Now take 1 piece of antacid tablet and drop it into your jar.
And then watch what happens.
We see bubbles in the jar.
It looks really bubbly. The bubbles are floating to the top.
Let's try that again, only in close-up. Drop another piece of antacid into your jar.
And watch the bubbles.
Antacid tablets are made from sodium bicarbonate and citric acid.
When tablet is placed in water, those 2 substances react.
They produce carbon dioxide gas, which is what creates the bubbles.
When the bubbles travel up, they take oil water with them.
But because water and oil do not mix, the water droplets fall back down, and that's what creates the bubbly effect. That's all for this time. Au revoir!
That means goodbye in French.
Hey!